Okay, so this is a video basically I'm trying to create for class 10. However, these are concepts of class 9, but I want to make sure that my students have clear conception before they start chemistry of class 10. So this is about formation of ions and attainment of stability of the atoms. As I have already taught you that the various elements have the various atoms. Okay, the elements are those entities which have atoms, okay, which are formed of similar kind of atoms. Now one question arises is that on what respect are the atoms of the elements similar? On what respect are they similar? Then the answer lies is that all the atoms have same atomic number. So as because they have same atomic number, that means if there is an element, suppose for example the element is gold, okay, or maybe sodium, or maybe hydrogen, or maybe oxygen, whatever it is, okay, whatever element it is, okay, the particular element, suppose this is a block of gold, it has millions and millions of atoms, suppose, and all the atom will have the same atomic number. Same atomic number means inside the nucleus the number of proton in one atom will be whatever, suppose 84 or whatever it is, then it will be same only. The atomic number of gold, I have to see what is the atomic number of gold. Suppose let us consider the atomic number of gold is X. Okay, if the atomic number of gold is X, then there are X number of protons inside the nucleus. Therefore, X number of electrons are arranged outside in the orbits according to the electronic configuration. According to the arrangement of rule of electronic configuration, there is 2, 8, 8 and in this way. Okay, so suppose for example sodium. Suppose you have taken a block of sodium, there are millions of atoms, sodium atoms inside this block. If you take one sodium atom, you will find there are 11 protons inside, and as because there are 11 protons, there will be 11 electrons. So first will have 2, second will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the third will have 1. The 11 protons, and therefore exactly there will be 11 electrons, and there will be due to 11 electrons there will be electronic configuration 281. Okay, because 11 will be broken down as first shell 2, second shell 8, 2 plus 8 and 10 plus 1. That is your what we can say 11 electrons distributed, and that is the electronic configuration. So in this respect, all the atoms of the sodium that are there, all of them are in having 11 protons and 11 electrons, and all of their electronic configuration is 281. All the atoms, each and every, and in this respect all the atoms are of the particular element sodium are similar. However, sodium and oxygen will be different. How? Because in case of oxygen there will be 8 protons and hence there will be 8 electrons. In case of oxygen or O, if you see the oxygen atom, there will be 8 protons and there will be 8 electrons. So there will be 2 electrons in the first shell and the 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 electrons will be broken down as 2, 6. So that is the electronic configuration, and all the atoms of oxygen will be same. If you take this much amount of oxygen or this big amount of oxygen, then all the atoms of oxygen will be same. So that is one thing that I wanted you to know, that in this respect that all the atoms or all the atoms of a particular element is same. However, atom of one element is different from atom of another element in this respect because they have different number of protons and electrons. Sodium has 11 protons, 11 electrons. However, oxygen has 8 protons and 8 electrons. But in case of oxygen, all the oxygen atom will have the same number of protons and electrons. In case of sodium, they will have the same number of electrons and protons in each atom of sodium. So in this respect, all the elements are same. Now, previously also I have mentioned a word, that stability. Okay, which of the atoms are stable or which of the atoms are not stable? You see, among the electronic configuration, when you learned in the previous videos, I have also told you about the valency, and valence electron. Okay, what is valence electron? The valence electron is the number of electrons present in the last shell, and you have an entire clear video previously given depicting the valency and the valence electron of each of the atoms of each of the elements from 1st to 20: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, and you know it. Now, what happens is, suppose, let us shift. See, now shifting towards this, we have helium, suppose, we have neon, suppose, and we have argon among first 1 to 20. Its atomic number is 2, its atomic number is 10, and its atomic number is 18. So it's because atomic number is 2, that means 2 protons, that means 2 electrons, electronic configuration is 2. The electronic configuration is 2. So valence electron, so if the electronic configuration is 2, that means it has only, if I draw the diagram of helium, there will be 2 protons, and as I taught you, there will be 2 neutrons, okay, and there will be 2 electrons lying, okay. Now, what is the electronic configuration? Electronic configuration is simply 2. In case of neon, there will be 10 protons, 10 neutrons, and as because there are 10 protons, there will be 10 electrons. So that means the first shell will have 10 can be broken down as 2, 8. So second shell will have 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2, 8, this is the fulfilled electronic configuration. This is the absolutely fulfilled electronic configuration. Now, what happens is, in case of neon, the electronic configuration is 2, 8. In the same way, if you take out the electronic configuration of argon, 18 means 18 protons, that means 18 electrons, so 2, 8, 8. So that is 2, 8, 8. So what is the valence electron here? 2. What is the valence electron? 8. What is the valence electron? But what is the valency? The valency is 0, 0, 0, because it is already stable. This is the stable electronic configuration. What is stable electronic configuration or inert gas electronic configuration? There is a reason why these gases are known as inert gas. Inert, the term inert means non-reactive. Okay, I will come to this discussion that why non-reactive and inert gas. First, a stable electronic configuration, that is inert gas electronic configuration. Now I want to mention that every particular atom of every element tries to attain this, and for attaining this they try to lose or gain electron. I have shown this in the previous video also, and I would like to again show you. So if I take hydrogen, then helium, then lithium, then beryllium, then boron, then carbon, then nitrogen, then oxygen, then fluorine, okay, then neon, okay, then sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, okay, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. You may be thinking that why sir is emphasizing on this topic, and he has taken already 3-4 classes and this is the 5th video that he is making, and why he is emphasizing on this subject so much. I want you to see these videos over and over again and put it very clearly inside your mind. When you will learn chemistry in class 10, when I'll begin the chapters, you will understand that why I am emphasizing. I am emphasizing because it is very, very important. The students who have passed out already, the students who will pass out this year, maximum of the class 10 students have taken science, and they have thanked me, and they have always known. You can go and ask them that why is this so important and why is this topic is being so much emphasized, because learning of this topic or learning of this particular thing helps you learn or helps you understand 90% of chemistry. Trust me, I am not overrating 90% of chemistry. However, coming back to the topic, helium, hydrogen atomic number 1, so electronic configuration 1, directly I'll write down. Helium atomic number 2, so electronic configuration 2. Lithium atomic number 3, so atomic number 3 means what? Atomic number 3 means what? 3 electrons, so 2, 1. So it will be 2, 1. 4 electrons, atomic number 4 means 4 protons, 4 electrons, so 2, 2. Atomic number 5 means 5 protons, 5 electrons, so 5 electron can be broken down as 2, 3. Atomic number 6, so 2, 4. And in this way, atomic number 7, so 2, 5. Atomic number 8, so 8 electrons, 2, 6. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, F. Okay, so 2, 7, because the atomic number is 9. Okay, if I write down the atomic numbers here, it will help you, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 2, 7. Neon, then atomic number will become 2, 8. Sodium, the atomic number will be, so electronic configuration will be 2, 8. This is a stable electronic configuration. This is a stable. And why these are stable electronic configuration? Because the shell, it has only one shell, and in the one shell only there are, first shell only maximum electron capacity is 2, and it has maximum electron capacity, it has 2 electrons in it. Okay, ekdam bhada pura sukhi paribar, you can think, okay, in that way. And here also, though 2 maximum, first shell में 2 है, second shell में 8 maximum 80 है, तो इसको फुलफिल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बोलते हैं. और एक है आर्गन जिसका 18 है, यानी 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, तो 2, 8, 8 ये है तुम्हारा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. ओके, सो सोडियम में क्या हो जाएगा 11, यानी 281, ये हो जाएगा 282. इसको सोचना ऐसे होता है, ऐसे डायरेक्ट नहीं लिखना होता है, सोचना ऐसे होता है कि 13, ओके 13 मतलब 13 प्रोटॉन्स, 13 प्रोटॉन्स मतलब 13 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अब 13 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को पहले शेल में 2 दे दिया तो 2 हो गया, 2 चला गया बचा, फिर 8 दे दिया सेकेंड शेल में तो 2 8 हो गया, 2 8 हो गया, फिर लास्ट शेल में बचा कितना 3. तो ऐसे करके ये हो जाएगा, जैसे मैंने बोला एल्यूमिनियम के लिए बोला वैसे सोचना चाहिए. 284, फिर फास्फोरस के लिए हो जाएगा 285, फिर सल्फर के लिए हो जाएगा 286, क्लोरीन के लिए हो जाएगा 287, पोटाशियम के लिए हो जाएगा 2881 और कैल्शियम के लिए हो जाएगा 2882. अब क्या होता है कि अगर कोई इनर्ट गैस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अटेन करना चाहे तो मैंने कैसे सोचना सिखाया कि अगर कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, तो कौन सा आसान होता है, लेना या देना. आइदर दे कैन गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन और दे कैन लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन, इतना सिखाया था. और द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन्ड और लॉस्ट इज नोन एज वैलेंसी. द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन्ड or lost is known as valency. Okay, the number of electron gained or lost is known as valency. Kab gain or lost? Why they will gain or lose electron? The number of electron gained or lost, क्यों करेगा? To attain stable EC और इनर्ट गैस EC, टू अटेन स्टेबल EC और इनर्ट गैस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जैसे यहाँ पे है. सो दैट इज़ द वन थिंग. सो अगर मैं ऐसे सोचूं तो 2882 इसका क्या आसान है, ये यहाँ पे 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन ले सकता है या 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन छोड़ सकता है, तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन छोड़ेगा तो वैलेंसी इज 2. तो यहाँ पे लूज, यहाँ पे क्या होता है कैल्शियम के लिए इट लूजेस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. पोटाशियम के लिए ये 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन लास्ट में है तो इट विल लूज 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. क्योंकि तुम ऐसे सोचोगे, दिमाग में जब सोचोगे तब ऐसे सोचोगे, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन छोड़ सकता है या 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके यहाँ पे 288 बन सकता है, तो जो आसान है 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन छोड़ना. आर्गन के लिए ये वैलेंसी 0 है, ठीक है, तो इसका लूजेस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन तो इसका वैलेंसी 2, इसका गेन्स 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, सॉरी इसका लूजेस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन तो इसका वैलेंसी 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन तो इसका वैलेंसी 1. अब जब वैलेंसी लिखोगे द नंबर द वैलेंसी इज जस्ट गेन्ड और लॉस्ट बोथ. ओके, इट डजंट डिपेंड ऑन वेदर गेनिंग और लूजिंग, यू जस्ट carry forward with the number that either it is gaining or losing, thus the number is the valency. However, here the valency is 0 because it will neither gain electron nor lose electron. However, in this case the valency will be what? It will take 1 electron, it will not lose 7 electron. Easier is to take 1 electron, so the valency will be 1. However, the valence electron will be 7. The valence electron will be 7 and the valency will be 1. Here the valency will be 2. Here the valency will be 2. That means it will gain 2 electrons. It will gain, definitely it will gain 2 electrons, but the valency will be 2. Valency will be how much? Valency will be 2. Okay, what is the valence electron? Valence electron will be 6. Valence electron will be 6. Okay, so in this way you have to think for everyone. Okay, so in that way here the valency will be 3 because it will gain 3 electrons and the valence electron will be 5. Okay, in this case it will give donating 4 electrons or losing 4 electrons or taking 4 electrons is same case. So in this case I said that it shares, it neither loses or gains, it shares 4 electrons. Okay, remember, it neither loses or gains, it shares 4 electrons, and hence the valency is also known as, the valency is also 4 and the valence electron is also 4, but in case of losing or gaining, remember that it shares. And in this case you have to remember that who loses. Okay, in this case valency is 0, in this case gains 1 electron. Okay, in this case gains 2 electron, in this case gains 3 electron. In this case gains 3 electron, in this case gains 3 electrons, so the valency is 3 and the valence electron is 5, but in this case shares 4 electron. In this case what will happen? In this case it will lose 3 electrons. Okay, so the valency is 3, it will lose 3 electrons. Now notify here. Okay, aluminium also valency 3, phosphorus ka bhi valency 3, aluminium ka bhi valency 3. Okay, aluminium ka bhi valency 3, but it loses 3 electron, that's why valency 3, and it gains 3 electron, that's why valency 3. Iska valence electron 5 और इसका देखो valence electron 3. Okay, but valency is 3 और इसका valency is 3, but both are different in what respect? It gains 3 electrons and it loses 3 electrons. And how do you know? We know from the electronic configuration. Again, this is 282. Okay, so that means losing 2 electrons will be more easier than taking 6 electrons. It has 2 options. It can take 6 electrons or it can lose 2 electrons. So losing 2 electrons will be much more easier, and it's because it will lose 2 electrons. So what will happen? It will lose 2 electrons. Okay, it will lose 2 electrons. So the valency is 2. So the valency is 2. Okay, fine. The valency is 2. And the valence electron is also 2, but it will lose 2 electrons. Here the valency is 1, it will lose 1 electron. Here the valency is 0. Here the valency is again 1. See, again the valency 1. Again valency 1. But what is the difference of this valency 1 and this valency 1? Here the valency is 1 because it is losing 1 electron. Because it is losing 1. Here the valency is 1 because it is gaining 1 electron. It is gaining 1 electron, that's why the valency is 1 here. Same way here the valency will be 2, it gains 2 electrons. Here the valency will be 3, it will gain 3 electron. Here the valency will be 4, it will share 4 electrons. It will lose 3 electrons, it will lose 2 electrons, it will lose 1 electron. Just see which one is easy. It is the second shell. It will take 5 electrons. No, rather than it is losing 3 electrons is more easy. Will it take 6 electron to become 2, 8? No, rather than that 2 electron losing is easy. Whatever is easy, it will do that. So I want you to think in that way and make a chart for yourself too. Okay, now we will shift towards the formation of ion if you have understood all these things. Now what happens is that despite of losing and gaining electrons, okay, now at first I want to mention that an unstable atom is neutral. Why? Because the number of electron is equals to the number of proton. Okay, the number of electron is equals to the number of proton. As because the number of electron is equals to the number of proton, so what happens is that one electron का charge is -1, one proton का charge is +1. So -1 और +1 कैंसिल हो जाता है. अगर 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन और 11 प्रोटॉन है तो +11 -11 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. अगर 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन 18 प्रोटॉन है तो +1 -1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. अगर 20 इलेक्ट्रॉन 20 प्रोटॉन है तो +20 -20 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो ऐसे करके अनस्टेबल एटम में न्यूट्रल है. लेकिन मैं अनस्टेबल क्यों बोल रहा हूं? क्योंकि तब तक उसने इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन और लूज नहीं किया है. सोचो, मैं अगर बात करूं सोडियम का, सोडियम जिसका सिंबल क्या है? Na. ओके, सिंबल क्या है? Na. अब तुम Na का बात करो तो Na हो गया तुम्हारा, पहले ऐसे सोचना पड़ेगा. Na का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है? एटॉमिक नंबर क्या है? 11. तो 11 को अगर ब्रेक करोगे तो 11 प्रोटॉन और 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो इसका मतलब इसके पास कितना है? 11 प्रोटॉन और 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन. ये सर पे मैंने ऐसे लिखा है इसको. तो इसके पास 11 प्रोटॉन 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो 11 कैंसिल होकर इसका चार्ज 0. तब उसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या था? 281, क्योंकि 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है ना. तो इसका वैलेंसी हो गया 1. तब ये 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, वैलेंसी 1 हो गया तो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करेगा? इट विल लूज 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. It will lose its valency or lose 1 electron, and hence the sodium will become charged +1. The electronic configuration will become 28. It will become stable. जब अनस्टेबल था तब न्यूट्रल था. जब स्टेबल बन गया एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करके, तब इसके प्लस एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया. जैसे मैं तुम्हें और एक एग्जांपल दिखाता हूँ. कैल्शियम, ठीक है. कैल्शियम का तुम्हारा एटॉमिक नंबर हो गया 20 प्रोटॉन्स, तो 20 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो 20 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को अगर तुम ब्रेक करोगे तो मिल जाएगा तुमको 2882. अब ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स छोड़ देगा. इट विल लूज 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. व्हेन इट विल लूज स्टिल 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इट विल बिकम Ca+2 और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 288, मतलब स्टेबल बन गया. लेकिन जब अनस्टेबल था तब इसका क्या था? कोई चार्ज नहीं था, तब बैलेंस हो रहा था. अब सर चार्ज क्यों आ रहा है? देखो खुद हिसाब लगाओ, चार्ज क्यों आ रहा है. इसके पास जब 281 था तब 11 प्रोटॉन था और 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन था. अभी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन छूट गया तो इसके पास 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन बन गया. लेकिन जो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो प्रोटॉन जो रहता है वो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर रहता है. इट स्टेज इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस. तो अगर न्यूक्लियस के अंदर रहा तो जैसे कि तुम ऐसे विजुअलाइज कर सकते हो, न्यूक्लियस के अंदर 11 प्रोटॉन्स है, 12 न्यूट्रॉन्स है, ठीक है. बाहर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, यहाँ पे 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, और यहाँ पे 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन था. अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल के चला गया तो अंदर का 11 प्रोटॉन में तो कोई चेंजेस नहीं आया ना. तो इसके वजह से क्या हुआ? 11 प्रोटॉन्स ही रहा. तो इसको कैलकुलेट करके देखो, एक पॉजिटिव एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज है, ठीक है. ठीक उसी तरह इसको भी कैलकुलेट करके देखो. अगर 20 इलेक्ट्रॉन में से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल जाए तो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन बन जाएगा? 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन बन जाएगा. लेकिन प्रोटॉन तो 20 ही रहेगा ना, तो इसीलिए +2. इसीलिए हमेशा याद रखो शॉर्टकट तरीके से, लूजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मेक्स पॉजिटिव आयंस. आयंस किसको बोलते हैं? These entities are known as ions, positive ions, charged atoms. Who are ions? Ions are charged atoms. जैसे मैंने पहले टॉपिक में बताया था कि today we will learn about the formation of ions. Ions are what? Ions are charged atoms. Okay? These are charged atoms. इसका मतलब इसने क्या किया? इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करके अपना पॉजिटिव चार्ज बना लिया. So this type of ions which loses the atoms or the elements which loses electron, it will definitely depend on the characteristic of the element. Why it will depend on the characteristic of the element? Because what is the valence electron, how many valency it has, it will either lose electron according to that, and when it will lose electron it will automatically become positively charged. So in that case it will become a positively charged ion depending on what is its valency, and valency definitely depends on the number of electron, and number of electron definitely depends on the atomic number or number of proton. So it depends on the atomic number only that whether it will lose or gain electrons. So here I have given example of losing electron, and when it is losing electron, so what is happening is that it is becoming a positively charged ion, and it is also known as cation. The cations are the ions or positively charged ions. Positive ions or positively charged ions are known as cations. In the same way, I'll just give example of gaining electrons. Suppose you take the example of phosphorus. What is the atomic number of phosphorus? 15 proton. There are 15 electrons. Okay. So there are 15 proton and 15 electrons. So the electronic configuration will be what? 2, 8, 5. So as because the electronic configuration is 285, definitely it will gain 3 electrons. So phosphorus gains 3 electrons and become p minus 3. जितना भी गेन किया उसको ऊपर में लिख दो. क्यों? क्योंकि इसको यहाँ पे अगर 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन उसने ले लिया तो ये लास्ट शेल में 288 बन जाएगा. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे 15 प्रोटॉन्स का 15 प्रोटॉन्स ही था, ये बन गया 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो अब हिसाब लगा के देखो, -3 चार्जेस ज़्यादा है तो p-3. सेम वे में अगर तुम ऑक्सीजन का देखोगे तो 2, 6 मतलब 8 प्रोटॉन्स और 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स था, तो उसके हिसाब से मैंने लिखा है 2, 6. तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल गेन 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो इट विल gain 2 electrons. When it will gain 2 electrons, it will become O-2. That means it will become 2, 8, 8. So what will happen is it will become 288. That means if it becomes 288, so that means what happens? That it becomes 8 protons and 10 electrons. So that means 2 extra charges. So it becomes, so gaining electrons, we learned that gaining electrons, okay, makes negative ions, okay, or anions. Negative ions or anions. So my suggestion is that to do what? To make a chart to understand this. If you do not make a chart, then it will not be able to visualize. I want you to visualize and make a chart. How? For each case, starting from hydrogen to calcium, okay, for each of the case, do this thing. Okay, think and do this thing. In case of hydrogen, I just want to mention that it loses, in case of hydrogen, I just want to mention that it loses 1 electron, it's an exception, and becomes H+. Okay, because hydrogen's atomic number is 1, it has one electron. Okay, atomic number is 1 electron, so electronic configuration is 1. So you will think that hydrogen तो has one shell, उसके में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है, एक प्रोटॉन है, तो ये एक ले लेगा. ठीक है, नहीं, ये उल्टा करता है, लेता नहीं है, ये छोड़ देता है. सब छोड़ देने के बाद तो इसके पास कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा, तो ये तो खाली न्यूक्लियस बच जाएगा और खाली एक शेल बच जाएगा. तो वही होता है हाइड्रोजन के लिए, वही होता है. ये एक एक्सेप्शन है, ये मैं मेंशन करना चाह रहा था यहाँ पे. और कार्बन और सिलिकॉन के लिए नहीं करना है. क्यों नहीं करना है? क्योंकि मैंने पहले ही बताया कि ये लोग शेयर करते हैं, लूज या गेन नहीं करते हैं. तो कार्बन और सिलिकॉन को छोड़ के, और हाइड्रोजन का मैंने बता दिया. और यहाँ पे 2, 4 तो मैंने कर ही दिया, तो बचा कितना? 2 गया, 4 मैंने कर दिया ऑलरेडी. तो फिर भी ये तुम लोगों को करना है, ठीक है, अपने लिस्ट में करके कौन कितना चार्ज करता है, ओके, किसका कितना चार्ज होता है, ये आज 6:30 तक तैयार करो. 6:30 तक तैयार करो, ठीक है. आई होप दैट यू हैव सीन द प्रीवियस वीडियोस, और 6:30 तक तैयार करो. And this video is shared with my this group, Siddhi, Sia and Aditi. However, this video will also be shared with my other group, okay, of class 10, that is Pritam and all. And they will also see this video, and if they have not seen my previous videos, the links have been shared, and my channel, you will go to my channel, and it has been marked as chemistry basis part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and I think this will be one part. Okay, so I want you to do this homework. What you will do, you will do this same thing for all 1 to 20 and tell me and submit it to me today before 6:30, so that I can move ahead. I can do some real work with you. Thank you.